Filming yourself is hard enough when you're doing it alone. Setting up the camera, making sure you're in frame, and getting the shot you want the first time is a real challenge. But you can eliminate much of that headache with the DJI OM4's active track function and gesture controls.
Okay.
It's super easy, so let me show you how to do it. Make sure that you connect your phone to your gimbal, then turn the DJI gimbal on, and then open the DJI app. Tap Video on the right, tap the 3 dots on the bottom left, and then the camera icon. Then make sure that you're up here in the follow mode. Exit the menu and choose the hand icon down here on the bottom right of your screen. Then make sure you have gesture control on and check follow and shoot. Okay, you're ready to go. Just exit the menu and set up your shot. Once you're ready to shoot, stand in front of the camera and use either the palm gesture or the peace sign gesture to start active track. The camera will lock onto your face and count down from 3, then start recording. As you move, the gimbal will adjust the camera to follow your movement. And once you've finished, either use the palm gesture or the peace sign again to stop the recording. Although the DJI OM4 comes with its own mini tripod, you may want to use a standard size tripod to get the angle that you're looking for. The active track function helps you a lot when filming yourself, and you may find that you come to depend more on this feature the more you use it and the more comfortable you get with this particular function. And if you think this automatic function is cool, you'll love how the DJI automatically takes panoramas. So check out how to use the panorama function in this video right here. See you there.